Okay, so hello everyone, it's me, Lam Stefan. Welcome back to my channel. At if bago ka pa lang sa akin channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka if may mga bago akong upload. And bago tayo mag-start sa ating video, please do follow me on my social media accounts. Yes, so that we can stay connected. So for today's video guys is I'm gonna be trying this fake nails that I bought at Shopee. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So these are the fake nails that I bought online. Ayan. I bought this at Shopee for 100 pesos each. Okay. Each set contains 24 pieces, so that at iba-iba yung size niya, so that para ma-adjust nyo if anong tamang finger size or fingernails na size ang dapat na ilagay nyo. Okay, so these are the colors. Ayan, para siyang matte. Itong isa is parang matte na black, and meron siyang gold. Ayan, and then this one is para black din siya pero hindi siya matte, tsaka meron siyang parang sticker na for parang goth yung design niya. Ayan. So without further ado, let's try this one. Calico. So let's try this design, this fake news design. And guys, super ganda ng mga design niya guys. Ayan, yung isa is parang lion, or I don't know what that is, and the other one is cross. Ayan guys, so it already has a free glue. Actually may label to siya pero tinanggal ko para makita ko gaano kadami yung glue. Ayan guys, so actually na-try ko na yung isa nito. Ayan guys, so let's try the other one. So before that, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung isang design guys, kasi super ganda guys. Ayan, may glue na rin siya para may idea rin kayo, baka gusto nyo rin bumili ng ganitong design. Okay, ganitong kulay. Ayan guys, para siyang matte, and meron siyang yung isa is gold na may para siyang transparent guys. Ayan guys, and this one is matte yung kulay niya guys. Ayan, but ito muna ang ating ita-try because I really like that one. Okay, so I already chose the sizes that I'm gonna use for my fingers. Okay, so and let's try this one first. So when applying a glue, dapat very konti lang guys. Ayan. Ayan. And then
the matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes. has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth? That you are a slave. Do you want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room, you can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.